Join me as I take on the challenge of coding a fun project from scratch in just one day. Let's see if I can pull it off. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel today. I am super excited to share with you a day in my life as a programmer. We are going to code a fun project from scratch, and I will take you through my entire thought process and the tools I use and any tips or tricks I find helpful along the way. Today I have decided to work on a game called Snake using Python and the PyGame library. We will use PyScripter as a tool and PyGame library. If you don't have PyGame library, then using this command you will install the PyGame library. I have always wanted to create a game, and I think this is a great opportunity to challenge myself. The goal is to create fully functional game with all the features you did expect from a game of Snake. One of the biggest challenge I am expecting to face is optimizing the game for smoother performance, especially when the snake gets longer. Another challenge I am anticipating is implementing the collision detection system, which can be tricky to get right. With PyGame before, so I am expecting a bit of learning curve there. But I'm excited to dive in and figure it out. I have got my coffee, my code editor, and my problem solving head on, so let's get started. As I've been coding, I want to make sure I have got a solid understanding of game's requirement. I will start by creating a new project in my code editor and setting up the basic structure of for the game. Then I will move on to creating the game loop, which will handle the user input, update the game state, and render the game on the screen. As I work through the code, I will be sharing my thought process with you, explaining why I am create certain decision and how I approaching each challenge. I will also be showing you the tools I use to stay organized and focused, like my to-do list and my debugging techniques. Okay, let's dive in. I have got the basic structure set up, and now I'm working on implementing the game logic. One of the key challenges here is figuring out how to efficiently store and update snake's body. I'm considering using a list to store the snake's coordinates, but I'm not sure if that's the best approach. As I work through this challenge, I am realizing that I need to rethink my approach to the game loop. I was initially thinking of using a simple for loop to create through the game state, but I'm realizing that I might not be the best approach. Instead, I am going to use a while loop to create a more flexible and efficient game loop. One of the significant breakthroughs I have had so far is realizing that I can use PyGame's built-in event handling system to handle user input. This has saved me a ton of time and has made the code much cleaner and more efficient. Another key realization I have had is the most important of testing and debugging. I was getting stuck on the particular bug, and I realized that I just needed to take a step back, break the problem down into smaller pieces, and I test each component individually. This approach has really helped me identify and fix the issues. As I wrap up this coding session, I'm really proud of what I have accomplished. I have created a fully functional game of Snake, and I have learned a lot about game development and PyGame. I hope you guys have enjoyed following along with me on this journey. Thanks for watching, and I will catch up you in the next video. If you have got any thoughts on your own coding projects or experience, please share them in the comments below. And if you want to see more programming content, be sure to check out my another video.